Unleash the power of the engine. Embrace the thrill of adventure. Feel the joy of long journeys with elevating confidence at every mile. Experience driving at its finest with brakes that are robust, dependable, and never break. RM Engineering. Stay safe, stop smart. Established in 2005 by our idealistic founders and driving enthusiasts, RM Engineering is a prominent manufacturer of disc and drum brakes in India. A highly advanced production unit of 75,000 square feet is situated in Bhunawa, which is just 25 kilometers away from Rajkot city, Gujarat. We assist the automobile industries across the globe achieve better driving performance by manufacturing the finest quality products. Our extensive range of disc brakes made from top-notch materials covers almost every car. Renowned for their world-class technology, our drum brakes provide the highest levels of performance and durability. We offer over 40 types of drum brakes with integrated bearings. Our hub for the three-wheelers and four-wheelers offer tangible safety benefits for drivers. Apart from these, we also manufacture a wide range of customized truck and trailer parts as per clients' application requirements. With design, development and manufacturing capabilities that matches global standards of quality and safety, we offer integrated production facilities from product design to completion. Being an avid participant of the Make in India mission, we have created an infrastructure that allows us to be a massive production capacity of 1.2 million pieces per year. Our dedicated design team meticulously designs the products and assures their feasibility and performance. Using the latest CAD/CAM and Declaim software, our highly talented engineers and technicians design and develop innovating products that meet our customers' stringent specifications. We have been frequently working closely with several OEMs and international customers for developing new automotive products. Then, as per the design, we in-house make the casting using superior quality raw materials. This gives us a unique competitive edge and the ability to control the quality of the final product. For this, we have invested in a state-of-the-art foundry. A fully automated sand plant, and a molding division. Once the casting is prepared, it is thoroughly inspected and sent for proof machining. We have exceptional expertise and machining capabilities, some of the best in the world. We are equipped with the latest horizontal turning and vertical turning machines from reputed companies. Then the casting are sent to the CNC division for necessary processes. Next, drilling and taping are performed in the VMC machine. The following phase of production is balancing of disc. If the imbalance is detected, the excess material is ground away to balance the disc perfectly. Not all discs need correction, and the majority are already perfectly balanced, making it unnecessary to machine material from the outer edge. At every stage, a thorough inspection is performed by highly skilled and experienced professionals. At RM Engineering, an IATF 16949-2016 certified organization, we are aware of the great importance that our product plays in the safety of the drivers. There is no place for any compromise in the quality of our products. Our quality control lab is equipped with a variety of dimension measuring instruments and testers to assure that every product we send to the customer is absolutely flawless. After the final inspection, the products are sent to laser marking, packaging, storage and dispatch. We have a provision for container stuffing through dock leveler. Over a span of 2 decades, we have proudly become a leading brake disc and drum supplier and trusted OEMs for several eminent automobile brands across the globe. The world-class quality of our products and strong business ethics have paved the way for us in the international market as well. We export to countries such as the USA, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Taiwan, Germany, New Zealand, UK, Finland, Switzerland and Canada. Our success so far attributes to our ability to motivate and harness the capabilities of our human resources and technology, develop and nurture a strong vendor base, and our exceptional commitment to quality, competitive pricing, on-time delivery, utmost safety and customer satisfaction. RM Engineering. Stay safe, stop smart.